Ever wondered what the best way to clean windows is? Well, the answer might be simpler than you think. It's vinegar. Yes, that's right. This pantry staple is not just for cooking. It's also a powerful natural cleaning agent that can leave your windows sparkling clean and streak-free. So, how do you clean windows with vinegar? It's quite straightforward, really. Firstly, prepare the cleaning solution. Mix equal parts of white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. A 1-to-1 ratio is ideal, so if you're using 1 cup of vinegar, you'll also need 1 cup of water. Next, it's time to remove any dust and debris from your windows. Use a soft brush or microfiber cloth to gently sweep away any dirt or cobwebs from the window surface and frame. This step is vital as it prevents scratches on your glass later on. Once the dust and dirt are gone, spray the vinegar solution onto the window glass, making sure you cover the entire surface. Don't be shy with the spray, but also avoid soaking the window. Now comes the elbow grease. Use a clean microfiber cloth to wipe the window in a circular or zigzag motion. Start from the top and work your way down, making sure you cover every inch of the window, and keep an eye out for smudges or streaks. But don't forget about the window frame. If it's dirty, spray the vinegar solution directly onto a cloth or sponge and use it to clean the frame. Wipe away any dirt or grime you find. Finally, if needed, rinse the window with plain water to remove any remaining vinegar solution. Then, use a clean, dry microfiber cloth to wipe away any excess moisture and give you that streak-free finish. Now for some extra tips. If you're dealing with stubborn stains or grime, let the vinegar solution sit for a few minutes before wiping it away. Avoid cleaning windows on a sunny day or when the glass is hot, as this can cause the solution to dry too quickly and leave streaks. If your windows are particularly dirty, don't hesitate to repeat the process or use a stronger vinegar solution. And if you like a little fragrance, add a few drops of essential oil, like lemon or lavender, to your vinegar and water mix. Cleaning windows with vinegar is not only effective, but also a natural method that can leave your windows looking their absolute best. Give it a try and see the difference it can make.